If you watched forming letters number 1, sunny circles, you're ready for this video, forming letters number 2, sunny C. We start the sunny C just like the sunny circle. Find your sunspot, move up and back and circle around, but for the C we stop short. Go down from the sky, find the sunspot, move up and back, circle around, nice round circular C, and stop short. Find the sunspot, go up and back, circle, nice circle shape, nice circle around, and stop short. There is a sunny C. When you're writing on paper that has these kinds of lines, you want to drop a little bit down from that top line, just so the sun sets just a little bit down from the top of the sky. You're going to carefully move up and back and tap the very top, nice circle around, and just tap the bottom and stop short. Let's try that again. Drop down from the sky a little bit to the sunspot, up and back, tap, circle around, tap, and stop short. Let's do another one. Drop down from the sky to the sunspot, go up and back, tap, nice circular shape, tap, and stop short. Looks like I didn't get quite to the line on that one. To make the lowercase c, drop the sun down a little bit from the dotted line. Go up and back, tap the dotted line, circle around, and tap the bottom line. Again, find your sunspot just below the dotted line. Up and back, tap, circle around, tap, and stop short. Drop down a little bit to the sunspot, up and back, tap, circle around, tap. Let's do one more. Drop down to the sunspot, up and back, tap, circle around, tap, and there we go. When you can make uppercase C's on paper and lowercase c's, and you will be ready to watch video number 3, forming letters number 3, sunny O.